Hello everybody and welcome back to Enroll. Last time we conquer a lamenting one monster who is who is a monster of Russell's mind maybe. We don't know yet, but the mystery is unfolding over his mind. Without further ado, let's play. Wait, there you. Who is this? Mirror. What to do for dinner? I could make mine strong with healthy carrots. Ah, ah, Russia. Hello. Do you need something from the field too? Oh, ah, yes. This field is a common sport without townspeople. Everyone's help in growing this vegetable must give them their sheen. They're nutritious and delicious. Oh dear. Phew, I'm home. Once again, thank you for today, Russell. I found something great thanks to you. Just uh, just as a way of saying thanks, you should eat dinner here tonight. I'll make the best meal I can. Not to brag, but my cooking skill is the real deal. Just the other day, my dad. Oh, that lamenting monster is from her nightmare. Russell was just in the midst of the birthday celebration, but her mind was like her. I think so. I don't know yet. Let's wait and reveal the shocking truth. Just a moment, I'll make it quick. Gardenia left the party. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Hurts, hurts. It's my birthday. Give it back, give it back, give it back. It's bit back to me. Give it. Why did you do such a thing? Oh dear, Russell. What did you do? Dad is crying. Everything's upside down. I can't stand anymore. I can breathe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Oh, Russell? Jeez, Russell. Are you okay? Are you tired or something? Sorry. Maybe I pushed you too much. Here. I just made this now. Do you feel like eating? I see. No, it's okay. You can take this home with you. I'll wrap it up, okay? Wrap it up. Oof. Man, the reveal of true character. Not yet. Save for now. Yes. Okay. No. This one. A piece of paper with the drawing of a frying pan. Read it. Gardenia. Read it. I was invited to a classmate's birthday party. It wasn't like we were friendly. It was the whole class that was invited to the party, not just me. Her family was rich and her dad made many incredible meals for her. He made the birthday cake too. Suddenly I remembered something. I remembered today was my birthday too. Of course no one knew that, so no one was celebrating me. During the party, I saw that blessed girl alone on a staircase landing. I approached her from behind. Could this blessed angel fly? I pushed her forcefully in the back. Her body tumbled down the stairs and she went squished like a cake. Happy birthday to me. Oof. Okay. Funeral diary. You can tell me to rehabilitate and don't know. I don't really know what I should be doing in this dream. I don't have that yet. The adults are talking about in the first place. So not even this dream will blame me. Everyone in this dream is kind and for now it's just enjoyable. What am I supposedly atoning for in such happiness? I'll have this dream again. That's the happiest thing for me now, and thinking about what happened tomorrow makes me feel excited. With only feelings like that, there's no chance I'll be rehabilitated, so I think this experiment is pointless. Once they see I'm no good as a subject, of course I'm just going to die, but I don't really care. Happy birthday, dear Russell. Wish me a happy birthday. Wish me a happy birthday. Eh. Happy birthday, dear Carolina. Yay. Okay, I'm talking. I can fly through the air. I'm falling down the stairs. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Up. Owen, good morning, deranged maniac. How was day 2 of your happy dream? Now, I must educate you on how to proceed in this experiment. Listen closely. The contents of the happy dream will vary greatly depending on your mental state, specifically your level of guilt. The more intimately you come to know your happy dream, the more you love that world, the more your guilt will increase. For that reason, your own curiosity must be valued above all else. Visit all kinds of places, meet various people, and experience many things. Those are the keys to succeeding in this experiment. That's all for now. So, let's happy dream. Uy. To today's dosage. Okay. Don't read na yun. That already. The mailbox is corrected with block. You're within your dream, your own dream. If you wish to go to the sad birthday house, you may do. You may. If you do not, goodbye. No comment. Okay. Pop balloon. Hey, morning Russell. Get weather today. Getting some good racing in. Oh yeah, that's right. The mayor was asking for you. Thinks he's got your ID card ready. With an ID card, you'll be able to travel with to other towns. Better go get it quick. Okay. So, oh, Russell, good morning. The weather's nice today. Come to think of it, Mr. Saxon said there was something he wanted to give you. I believe it's your ID card. So please go get it from him. Okay, okay. Russell morning. I was just looking for you. I have something for you. A bit late, but your ID card is finally ready. Go and take it. Whew. With that, you'll be able to enter other towns. You should take a look around, but it won't be reissued to you. Make sure keep it safe and you don't lose it. All right? Okay. Let's stop for now. Goodbye, everyone, and God bless.